So the next thing I want to talk to you about is your focus, because focusing in on our priorities is what separates the busy from the productive. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be busy. I want to be productive. I want to do the important work. I want to do the high quality work. I want to do the things that make a difference in my family's life, in my job, in my business. So it's really important that we have areas of focus.
Here's the thing, there's a lot of joy in missing out on the busyness and the stress and the saying yes to things out of obligation instead of saying yes out of joy and out of really desire to do it. So that's really what I want to walk people through, is how do you make that work in your life? How do you live a priority-centered life and make it really work for you?
Tanya Dalton is here, productivity expert, and she is also the author of the upcoming book called Joy of Missing Out, the complete opposite of FOMO.
Yes.
I think everybody needs to hear a little bit about this.
Yes, we need to let go of the FOMO and embrace the JOMO.
Okay.
Because productivity is not about doing more. It is doing what is most important. It's not about checking 1,000 things off your list. It's about checking those things that are truly important, that drive you forward. That's when you go into bed at night. That's when you feel satisfied. That's when you feel successful.
The 5 Ps are a way for us to really create some good structure to our days and our weeks and our months. So we walk through a whole step of how do you do that? So we start by purging, getting out a list, kind of that brain dump, so it's no longer weighing you down and stressing you out, getting it on the paper, and then each day processing, each day as it comes.
I want you to think about this. When I talk to you today about productivity, when I talk to you about the things you can do to feel more productive and to really focus in on what's important, I want you to think not just about being productive at work, because you are more than a worker bee. Am I right? You're so much more. So all the things we talk about today, and I'll try to point it out from time to time, I want you to think about, how does this apply in my home life? Because here's the truth. We can bring home the bacon. We can fry it up in a pan. But if that kitchen is burning down around us, it does us no good. We want to feel good about what happens at home. So when we go to work, we're focused fully at work. Guilt-free.